Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the video banner element. The video banner element in Zeno Page Builder allows you to set a video as the background of a section on your landing page. Here you see a video banner element with a background video, and we have content inside. Let's walk through the options the video banner element has to offer. First, we have video URL setting. You can use a YouTube or Vimeo video. If you have your video file and you are on Shopify, then you can go to Shopify admin. Under content files, you can upload your video file, copy the URL, and use it inside Zeno Builder like this. Next, we have fallback image. Mobile web browsers block video from auto-playing, so the video banner element will not work on mobile device, and you will need to set fallback image to show instead of video on mobile. You can choose an image or upload an image. Next, we have full width. You can toggle on or off to decide whether or not the video banner should stretch across the page. We have content width to decrease or increase the width of the content inside the video banner. If the content width is less than 100%, for example 50%, then you can align the content to the left, to center, or to the right. You can set an overlay effect for the video banner and choose a color like this. You can add some transparency. Go to Advanced tab. You can toggle visibility for the video banner on desktop, tablet, or on mobile. You can adjust opacity for the video banner, show the border, border color, border style. You can show more shadow, and even animation. Now let's design a section using the video banner element. First, I will insert a video banner element into the page and toggle on full width. Set the video URL and I will adjust the padding. I can drag like this, or I can type the padding manually. Next, I will insert a heading element. Center it, set the color to yellow, the font size decrease to 32, and type the heading. I also want to set the font weight to normal, like this. Next, I will insert another heading. Center it, set the color to white. I also want to change the font size to 80, the font to Playfair. Currently, I don't see the font Playfair here, but I can click on Manage Font and add Playfair. Display this one and choose it. It looks like this, and I will change the font weight to normal. Much better. Now I will insert a button element. Add some margin for it. Change the text. The button text color should be white, and the button color should be green. I think this color is good. And remove the border. I will add some padding for it. The font size should be 20, and it looks like this. That is how you can design a section using the video banner element. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.